Hi everyone, we're going to solve logarithms without a calculator using our properties of logs, and this is the problem I'm doing, and I'm going to do this two different ways. The first way I'm going to do it is I'm going to notice that since our base is 2 here, that using our identity that log base 2 of 2 equals 1. So if I multiply this 3 here by 1 equals log base 2 of 2. So this whole quantity equals 1. And it makes it easier than having to use the formula, and you don't have to memorize the formula as much. The only other thing we want to do, and I'm going to write this a little smaller, is use your power property and bring this 3 up here. So that's going to equal log base 2 of 2 cubed plus log base 2 of 9x. Alright? So now I can condense these and write this as log base 2 of 3 times x minus 3 equals log base 2 of, I'll just go ahead and call this 8, times 9x. And what we get is we can not look at that anymore, and we can do 3x minus 9 equals 72x. And if I add 9 to both sides, I get 3x equals, you add 9 to that, you get 81. Alright. Actually, I did that wrong. I knew I was doing something wrong. Okay, so basically, you're going to subtract 3x from both sides. If I showed my work, it would help. So you get negative 9 equals 69x. So x equals negative 9 over 69. Now, just looking at this, and if I plug it into this x here, I get negative. Well, this quantity here has to be positive. And the same thing will happen here. If I plug in negative 9 over 69, this value here is going to be negative. And we want it to be positive because of our domain restrictions. So therefore, on this, there's no solution. So I'm going to show you a different way to do it, which is probably the way you're more familiar with. We'll get the same answer, but if you have something like this, what we can do is I'm going to go ahead and condense this side. So we get log base 2 of 3 times x minus 3 equals, and what I'm going to do, is subtract this from both sides. So you get minus log base 2 of 9x equals 3. Now I'm going to go ahead and condense this. It's a quotient property here. So when I write that, I'm going to get log base 2, I'll go ahead and distribute 3x minus 9 over 9x equals 3. Now using my formula, the log base of a value equals your power, and that can be written as base to the power equals your value. I'm going to rewrite it like this. So my base is 2, my power is 3, and my value is 3x minus 9 over 9x. So when you cross multiply, you're going to get 9x, this is 8, so that's going to be 72x equals 3x minus 9, and as you can see, when you subtract 3x, we get just like we got before. You're going to get 69x equals negative 9, so x equals negative 9 over 69, which again doesn't work, so we have no solution. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.